You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen, Blitzen, and all his reindeer pulling on the reins.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss,
master of fright and a demon of light, and I'll scare you right out of your pants. To a guy in Kentucky, I'm Mr. Unlucky, and I'm known throughout England and France. And since I am dead, I can take off my head to recite Shakespearean quotations. No animal, no man can scream like I can with the fury of my recitations.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray.
I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm Mr. Snow. I'm Mr. Icicle. I'm Mr. Ten Below. Friends call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch turns to snow in my clutch. I'm too much. I'm Mr. Green Christmas. I'm Mr. Sun. I'm Mr. Heat Blister. I'm Mr. 101. They call me Heat Miser. Whatever I touch starts to melt in my clutch. I'm too much.
4 o'clock, wallow in self-pity. 5 o'clock, solve world hunger. Tell no one. 5:30, jazzercise. 6:30, dinner with me. I can't cancel that again. 7 o'clock, wrestle with my self-loathing. I'm booked. 4 o'clock.
They're not gonna hurt you. Open the door. What?
You guys give up, or you're thirsty for more?
On my home for all seasons, so come on, let's go. Below zero and hide from the sun, I love you for.
It's Christmas Eve, all who believe Santa is here, but once a year, all girls and boys dream of new toys. Soundly they sleep, wishes to keep. Jing, jingling, come hear us sing. Breaths on the door, stockings and more. Magic this thrive, spells come alive. Snow in the air, laughter to share. Family and friends, season to cleanse. Joyful and dear, end of the. It's
I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm Mr. Snow. I'm Mr. Icicle. I'm Mr. Ten Below. Friends call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch turns to snow in my clutch. I'm too much. I'm Mr. Green Christmas. I'm Mr. Sun. I'm Mr. Heat Blister. I'm Mr. 101. Mr. White Christmas. I'm Mr. Snow. I'm Mr. Icicle. I'm Mr. 10 Below. Friends call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch turns to snow in my clutch. I'm too much. I'm Mr. Green Christmas. I'm Mr. Sun. I'm Mr. Heat Blister. I'm Mr. 101. They call me Heat Miser. Whatever I touch starts to melt in my clutch. I'm too much.
It's Christmas Eve, all who believe Santa is here, but once a year, all girls and boys dream of new toys. Soundly they sleep, wishes to keep. Jing, jingling, come hear us sing. Wreaths on the doors, stockings and more magic. It's
4 o'clock, wallow in self-pity. 5 o'clock, solve world hunger. Tell no one. 5:30, jazzercise. 6:30, dinner with me. I can't cancel that again. 7 o'clock, wrestle with my self-loathing. I'm booked.
You're a mean one. You really are a hero. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel. Mr. Grinch.
Uncle Frank won't let me watch the movie, but the big kids can. Why can't I?
Then it must be really bad.
He's just being a jerk. I made my family disappear. I made my family disappear. Kevin!
I'm gonna give you to the count of 10 to get your ugly, yellow, no good keister off my property before I pump your guts full of lead. 1, 2. All right, Johnny, I'm sorry. Keep the change, you filthy animal.
Here.
It worked! It's you!
How'd you get this number?
Emily left an emergency list.
I see. And is this an emergency?
There's a horrible noise coming from the evil box underneath the window. It sounds like this.
It's not evil, buddy. It's a radiator, and the heat makes noise when it comes on.
No, it doesn't. It's very evil. It's scary to look at. It's... Okay, I'm going. Oh, wait. Yes, it is. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Everything's fine. You were right.
Okay, good. I'm gonna hang up now.
I love you. We'll call you in 5 minutes.
No, but buddy, don't. You don't have to call me, okay?
Good idea. You call me.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up now.
I painted a picture of a butterfly.
Good. I'm gonna hang up now.
I tuned the piano. Okay, I love you. Bye.
Here.
God rest ye